Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 523 Ontario Drive with 138 feet of stone beach on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is an amazing ranch property at a terrific value. So let's take a tour.
This is open one-floor lake living with a great room featuring a fireplace living area with a picture window, open to a spacious dining area, and a white and bright kitchen with an adjacent sunroom, all with scenic lake views.
This ranch home also features a master bedroom, plus a spacious second bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom, first floor laundry, and a dinner office. Situated on nearly an acre, this property has room for expandability with an oversized two-car garage and a separate detached garage or potential guest house.
This pristine stone beach has 138 feet of gorgeous waterfront with scenic views.
Ontario Drive is a rare and private neighborhood of fine lakefront homes, close to Webster, with easy access to all of Monroe County. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 523 Ontario Drive on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!